Hello there. Today I will be demonstrating my project 2 of CS50 web programming. So first I have set the Flask. So now Flask is running. So let me open it in my browser. So it has redirected me to lobby and prompted me and I'll select the desired username. So let me give username as ZAHID. So here username is Christian. I am currently in channel name login. Okay. From here I can create new channels and manage them. So what if I type okay. So it says today. Okay. Let me give you a much more better and detailed example. So let me give it as Wahid. You can see this earlier message. It is stored in browser. Okay. So I type in hi. So the other user is able to receive the message. Okay. Let me create a new channel. Channel login to. I go to login to and I type in hi. But the message is not received over here. Okay. It has added a list to login to over here. But the message is not received over here. It's only in login to channel. So I have come in login to channel. And here you can see. Hello. So when there is not enough of space, it displays this scroll bar through which you can scroll to messages. It stores a maximum number of 100 messages. Uh, you can see. So if the number of messages is more than 100, it's gonna delete one message. Huh. Will delete one, the oldest one message. Okay, from the server side memory, not the client side. Okay, so client can have current chats and these are the earlier chat. Okay, so the display name, this is any user should be able to create a channel. Okay, any user is able to create a channel. Let me even give you here an example. Any. So I clicked on any and I visited the any channel. Okay, so any user is able to create a channel. User should be able to see the list. Okay, users is able to see message views. Yeah, this is sending messages. All users can send timestamp everything. Remembering the channel. Okay, so let me close this. So the entire window is closed. Okay. So let me close this. Okay. So I was here in lobby 2, so it has restricted me to lobby 2. It stores it in the local storage memory, as you can see, and it fetches from there. Okay. So all this is working. Okay. Over here is personal touch. So in personal touch, I have added a logout feature by which the user from it will be cleared automatically from the local storage, and thus he will be logged out, and then he can choose any other username, or he can even choose the current username. So I click on log out. So it has prompted me for username and encrypted me towards login. Okay, so this is how it's working. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed it. But then this came into my mind. Okay, closing the web browser window. Okay, so it was not tapped. So it will work as the same, but still I have to demonstrate. So it has redirected me to any, since I was on this Chrome on any channel. So it has redirected me back to any channel. Okay, and I can type here messages. My username is still remembered, and I can switch channels, and everything is remembered over here. Okay, so you can see everything is working fine. Okay, so now this is, if you have added any Python packages that need to be installed in order to run the web application, be sure to add them to requirements.txt. So which I have done. uh, where is it? So this is over here, Flask section socket JSON request. Okay, I have pushed it over here, so everything is over here. Okay, you can see the link below in the description.